Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily configure the NAS storage network backup in your XIAOMI Smart Camera C500. So at first you need to go straight to the three dots over here and tap here the manage storage. Now, as you can see, you have to make sure that the SD card status is good and the SD card is plugged in. Now tap NAS Network Search and tap Connect NAS Device. Here now your application will be searching for any NAS server in your network, and once found you have to tap it and enter the credentials and configure the sync. But I don't have the NAS Network Search, so I won't show you this. But you have to tap here your server, enter credentials, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.